nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be
guys, overtime tayo ulit. Ito po yung gagawin namin. Ayan po yung mga t-shirt na pinamili ko kanina. Meron akong bagong pinaka-printan dun sa Baklaran, pangalan Hanson, Baklaran. Meron sila dong bagong machine, DTF. Nagsiprint sila ng DTF, ito Westinghouse. Ayan po ang ganda ng pagka-print nila. Unlike dun sa dati ko mga pinapag-print sa harap ko. Ito pag nakita mo, wala siyang white sa wala siyang white sa palibot ng layout. Tingnan mo. Pag nila yung mix sila. Ayan. Wala ka talaga makikita ng white na outline. Ang ganda ng pagka-align ng pagka-print niya sa machine. Saktong-sakto. Kaya pag pinarin mo to sa mga dark color, wala ka talaga makikita ng outline. Kung ano yung design mo dyan, ganyan talaga ang kakalabasan. Ito naman, itong isa na to, talagang sinadya ko talaga na nilagyan ng outline to. Itong MCGI Press. Ito. Kasi nga, ito, tingnan nyo. Sinadya ko talaga na lagyan ng outline na white sheet kasi pag once na black yung dark color yung tinatakan mo, like dito, mababasa pa rin yung text. Kaya sinadya ko siya lagyan ng outline. Pero dun sa bago kong pinapaprintan sa Hanson Baklaran, doon kayo magpapaprint guys, gusto magpapaprint ng DTF na yun ang maganda. Wala ka talaga makitang outline dyan. So yun lang, ito pa yung mga tatakan ko mamaya. Mabatag tayo. Saka ito, nag-order sa akin ng 100 pieces na foldable fan.